Danny. Gigi, this way. Right. Good. There's that. That's good. That's good, Gigi. Right, listen to him. Look at Ben over there. Look at Gigi. He's a bad boy.